How can effective resource management drive organizational success? This video explores the crucial role of resource management in achieving strategic objectives. Discover how evaluating and refining resource practices ensures sustainability and efficiency. Effective resource management is essential for organizational success. It involves evaluating resource use to support objectives. This includes financial, physical, human, and technological resources. By analyzing these, organizations can identify inefficiencies. This leads to improved sustainability and goal achievement. Benchmarks and KPIs are crucial for measuring resource use. They provide measurable standards for performance assessment. Organizations should set industry standards to establish benchmarks. KPIs should align with strategic goals. This enables objective evaluation and highlights improvement areas. Resource audits examine resource usage within organizations. This includes financial, physical, and human resource audits. Financial audits assess resource allocation and spending. Physical audits verify asset condition and utilization. Regular audits identify inefficiencies and optimization opportunities. Data analysis is vital for assessing resource effectiveness. It involves collecting data from various sources. Performance is compared against benchmarks and KPIs. This identifies variances and trends. Insights from data analysis highlight performance improvement areas. Stakeholder feedback offers valuable insights into resource management. Employee feedback identifies workplace efficiency improvements. Customer feedback assesses satisfaction with products and services. Supplier feedback optimizes resource procurement. This holistic view aligns with organizational goals. Continuous improvement refines resource management practices. Lean management eliminates waste and streamlines processes. Total quality management focuses on quality across processes. Kaizen encourages incremental improvements from all employees. These practices adapt to changing needs and conditions. Various data types are needed to evaluate resource use. Absenteeism and sickness data assess employee performance. Sales figures evaluate resource utilization efficiency. Performance metrics measure contributions to goals. Customer feedback highlights satisfaction levels. Repeat sales data measures loyalty. Tracking absenteeism and sickness provides insights into workplace issues. Patterns can indicate dissatisfaction or health problems. High absenteeism impacts productivity and morale. Analyzing this data helps mitigate negative impacts. Managers can implement strategies to address these issues. Sales figures provide data on product or service sales. They assess if sales targets are met. Analyzing sales in relation to resource input determines efficiency. This helps evaluate sales strategies and resource allocation. Comparing figures with targets measures effectiveness. Performance metrics show how employees meet goals. They measure contributions to organizational objectives. Recognizing high performers aids in reward programs. Analyzing targets met identifies top performers. This data helps support those needing improvement. Customer feedback provides insights into satisfaction levels. Positive comments indicate service quality. Negative feedback highlights areas for improvement. Repeat sales data measures loyalty and retention strategies. Analyzing this data helps improve customer satisfaction and retention. Effective utilization ensures tangible assets achieve goals. Key data points assess resource utilization. Budget restraints identify cost reduction areas. Sales figures evaluate efficiency in generating sales. Performance metrics assess target achievement. Budget restraints impact resource allocation and use. Identifying cost reduction areas is crucial. Effective allocation maximizes utility. Sales figures assess resource efficiency in generating sales. Comparing costs with sales determines profitability. Performance metrics show resource contribution to targets. Identifying gaps helps improve performance. Customer feedback assesses product quality. It identifies resource utilization issues affecting quality. Analyzing complaints pinpoints production defects. Resource management impacts organizational outcomes. Amazon's success is due to efficient practices. Sports Direct failed due to poor resource management. Carillion's collapse highlights financial mismanagement. Capita's mixed results show the need for consistency. Amazon excels in resource management. Efficient supply chain management reduces costs. Technological innovation enhances operations. Effective workforce management drives productivity. These practices contribute to market dominance. Sports Direct's failure stems from poor practices. Inadequate working conditions led to legal issues. Ineffective HR practices caused high turnover. Resource misallocation resulted in financial instability. These factors tarnished the company's reputation. Carillion's collapse is due to financial mismanagement. Inadequate controls and debt reliance led to insolvency. Project mismanagement caused delays and overruns. Lack of strategic planning resulted in overexpansion. These issues highlight the importance of sound management. Capita's results vary due to inconsistent practices. Inconsistent quality affects customer satisfaction. Cost-cutting sometimes reduces service quality. Efficient IT services improve operations. Balanced management is crucial for success. Ryanair excels in cost control and efficiency. Rigorous measures maintain low operating costs. High aircraft utilization boosts profitability. Customer service challenges highlight stakeholder balance. Success lies in stringent management and efficiency. In conclusion, understanding how organizations monitor and support people in the workplace is essential for fostering productivity, well-being, and long-term employee engagement. Effective monitoring practices such as performance reviews, goal setting, and regular feedback help ensure that employees stay aligned with organizational objectives. At the same time, support mechanisms including training, mentoring, well-being programs, and flexible work arrangements empower individuals to grow, stay motivated, and feel valued. By balancing oversight with meaningful support, organizations create a positive working environment that promotes high performance, job satisfaction, and organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361 688.